Thanks. So, Joe, if I would go through the slide, I think would be great.
Yeah, sure. So just walking through this slide, I think it's really important to recognize that, there have been 38 microcap IPOs this year for a combined raise amount of about $275 million. Now, that by itself isn't incredibly significant. The more significant number on this slide, in my view, is the one to the far right, which is the median offering size. So for all of 2021, most of 2022, and very brief pockets of 2023, the median offering size was a lot more, meaning companies were able to raise additional dollars, really be closer to that $12, $13, $14 million median raise amount. Recently, as everyone knows, just given where the markets have been slightly challenged, that number has come down significantly. For whatever reason, we can debate inflation and interest rates and global political factors, but the reality is the number has come down. And that has caused a shift in the market for these smaller companies, these emerging growth companies, to use a selling stockholder method that typically wasn't around in 21 or 22. And what I mean by that is they've been using their legacy stockholders in the company to piece together the initial qualifications for the exchange. So for example, if a company has to qualify at $15 million in the public float requirement for NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange, in 2021, when the median capital raise was 14, 15 million, it didn't matter. Legacy shareholders were kind of, just around. In this market, because it's become slightly more challenging and the median offering price is $6, $7, $8 million, those legacy shareholders, your original shareholders, your friends and family, the people that have been around for the longest periods of time, have become a real significant part in the qualification process. So it really takes both of those pieces now, in my view, to get over the finish line. And I'm sure Paul has probably some thoughts on this too, because this is a big thing with the exchanges and the regulators. How do you piece that deal together and what qualifies for that $15 million? But the point to take away from here is deals are happening, dollars are being raised, but the median offering size has been reduced. So the market is telling us at this point in time, less is more.